Alright guys, so when you open up when you click on the link, the registration link, you paste your email address and then make sure that you are using the correct invite code. Yeah, so you click on sign up, you complete this puzzle. Make sure you take your time to do the puzzle. It's very simple, so we are set. So now you get your email code from your email address and then you copy the code and then you go back to the registration page and then you paste it. So you set your password and then you confirm. So you are registered successfully. Then to carry out KYC, I'm going to run it over again. So you come to advanced KYC here, click on verify, start verification. I don't have my ID with me. Next. So when you click next, it's going to take you to here, all countries except USA. So you click continue. Yeah, continue. So you choose your national ID card name. You put in your name and then you continue. You put in your name. Let's say you continue. Okay. This is just a fake name, but I'm going to just wanted to show you something. So when you just put in your name, then you continue, you take a picture and then you'll be verified automatically.
So now, to deposit on MEXC after you've signed up and verified your account, to deposit you click on deposit on chain. So when you click on chain, you click USDT or any other cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. So we're going to deposit using the Aptos chain. Why I'm using this Aptos chain is because of the exchange I'm sending it from. So I'm sending it from Bybit to MEXC. So I copy my address, then I go to my Bybit. So on my Bybit, I click on crypto withdrawal USDT on chain. So now as a new user, I need to deposit 100 USDT and above to activate the 200 to 300 airdrop position on MEXC. So I click on Aptos. Aptos here is 0 fees, so I input 101, then click withdrawal. So I copy my code. So everything is set now. I've actually sent my cryptocurrency from Bybit to MEXC. So on MEXC, withdrawal is in progress. We're going to wait a bit. Aptos network is not always that fast, so we have to wait a bit for it to drop on our MEXC account. Okay, we have 101 USDT here processing. Yeah, it's fully deposited. So this is how you deposit cryptocurrency from any other exchange to your MEXC account. Okay, so now The money is going directly to your spot account. The money is going directly to your spot account, so you can move it to your futures to perform your first trade. So I click on transfer. I move in 101 to my futures. Okay, so that's how to deposit money, cryptocurrency, from one exchange to your MECX account. P transaction right away on MECX. Okay, so you come to your wallet, click on fiat. Now, if you want to buy cryptocurrency, let's say you want to deposit $10 worth of USDT, so you click on buy. When you click on quick buy, you select P2P. So for here, we are going to select our payment. Our payment will be PalmPay. And our amount will be 14,000, or let's say 14,500. So I look for people that have this limits so I can buy from them. So we are going to buy from Oya Merchant. So I click on buy. 14,500 will give me 10.2 USDT. So I click on I have read and agreed, and then I click on buy. Why I'm choosing this merchant is because number one is a verified merchant with MECX. He's online, he has good reviews, and his completion rate in the last 30 days is 90%. So this is someone you want to trade with. So I'll go back now and make the payment so we can get our money released to us. So I click on pay. I make payment to the merchant. So our order has been completed. 10.2 USDT have been released into our balance. So coming up next, I'm going to show you how to sell your USDT for Naira. So to sell back or to withdraw your USDT to fiat, you move the USDT to your fiat and then you click on sell. You click on quick buy, come to P2P. Then from sell, you choose your payment method. My payment method is PalmPay, and my amount is 20,000. I want to sell 20,000. So with this filter, you have people that are active and are online. So you click on sell. Okay, so I have 20 USDT here and I want to sell everything. So I click on sell USDT. So now I'll be waiting for Chinedu to send 28,608 NGN to my local bank account. And when I receive that amount, I can actually release the USDT to him. So the money has been deposited. We paid the correct amount, and then we can now go and release his coin. So you come to this page, it will automatically display buyer has paid. So you click on payment received. We received 28,608. So you click on confirm. So my order has been completed. Now if you see that there is a slight price difference from the buying price and the selling price. So we bought with 1419.6 and we sold at 1415.25. So the P2P merchant makes their own profit. So this is how to sell your USDT on MEXC. So guys, we're going to continue. I'm going to show you how to place a trade on MEXC and how to position your SL and all other things. Okay, so we're going to trade BTC. Now I'm going to reduce my leverage here. This is where you can reduce your leverage. I'm going to use 10x. I need the lowest leverage, so I confirm. So now I want to long BTC, and I want to use 20 to 23% of capital. So I click on long. So we are active. Click on TP/SL. Click on TP/SL. Mind you, this is done on the market order. Okay, so you click TP/SL. So for instance, I want my take profit to 70,000, and then my SL should be let's say I'm aiming for 1:2. So my SL should be half of my take profit. So I input everything here and then I click confirm. So now your TP and SL has been set, and so this is where I will show you how to use your limit order. So let's say I want to buy BTC at 61k. So I input 61k here. I want to buy BTC at 61,000, and then I want to use 29% of my margin. So I can actually click on long, and then the order will be showing on open order. So this is the limit order. This is the limit order. This one order is my TP and SL for the current position. So the trade is going well. If you want to close the trade, you can actually use close or flash close. Then if you want to share your PNL, so you click here on this small and then you see your PNL. So you can customize it to either show the profit or only the percentage return. So I'm going to close this using flash close. Alright, so you can trade BTC up to 500x, but you have to know that with more leverage comes more risks. Then you can use either the isolated margin or the cross margin while you trade. So that's basically how to place your trade on MEXC.